So welcome back to our channel. As you have seen in the last video, we have made pink desk lamp. So now we are going to make a red glitter lamp. So let's go into the video. Guys, let's pour the gum. So I've taken the gum. Now let's mix up the glitter. Guys, let's pour. Guys, I poured much amount I want. Mix it well. Let it mix up with the slime. Guys, let's pour the activator. Guys, mix it well. Then the slime will be forming little by little. As you can see, it is forming. Guys, I mixed it well. So now let it put in the table and see how it is. So it's so nice. It's very nice. It's very nice and softy, fluffy. And you can see this slime too. It's very nice and fluffy both. Hope you all like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button, and thank you for watching this video, and bye.